Welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking Company. I'm Kylie, as always.
And I'm Hailey. One thing you probably didn't know about us is that we're cousins. Our aunt just had a baby, and we were thinking it would be nice to bring her some dinner.
So today we're going to be making my favorite kind of sandwiches, the ham and cheese sliders. First, we need to cut in half 24 Hawaiian sweet rolls.
But when you're cutting them, you don't have to cut them all the way, just most of the way. Like so.
Just like so.
When you're cutting bread, you might want to use a serrated knife. It kind of helps cut it.
Yeah, see look how good these look.
They really do help though. Now we are going to mix 1/3 cup of Miracle Whip
and 1/3 cup of mayonnaise.
Okay, back to
now we
again.
actually get to work now. We dump it in. That looks weird. That's what you touched it.
Now you spread it on the inside of your cut rolls.
This is a lot more complicated than I thought.
Now we need some ham and cheese.
Because they're called ham and cheese sliders. 3, 2, 1.
Hey? No,
Where's the ham? The ham is the best part. I like the ham.
This is getting old.
Everything always misses now.
3,
Are snaps not magical anymore?
3,
2,
1.
Oh, there's the ham. There's the
Now we have to
masterpiece
put
of the masterpiece.
Now we put one slice of cheese on this side, one slice of cheese on this side, and put some ham.
This is my stack.
In the middle.
My stack.
This is my stack.
I have cheese stacks. These are my cheese stacks. No, I have the whole.
So then you have cheese on one.
You have cheese on 2 sides, and then you only have
ham in the middle.
In the middle, yes. Now we're going to put our sandwiches in a foiled pan. We do that so it's easier to clean up afterwards.
For the sauce, you need 1/2 cup of melted butter, as shown,
You need 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds.
and 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, whatever that is. However I say that. It's not my favorite smell in the world either.
Now I am measuring the 1 tablespoon of 1.5 tablespoons of mustard.
Oh, this is
mustard.
weird.
This looks so weird. Don't do it too fast. The butter's gonna.
We're taking a few spoonfuls and putting this on the roll.
Mine's not a spoonful because I can't get a spoonful without not getting any poppy seeds. Now you just let it. After you're done with these, you just let it set for at least 10 minutes.
Let's just keep going. Now that the rolls have set, we put foil over them, and now we're going to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.
Or until the cheese is melted. And once it's done, then you take it out of the oven and you take off the foil and let it cook for 2 additional minutes. Or when the top is lightly brown.
So now we've cooked them.
Ah, they smell so good. I love these.
Can't wait. They do smell good. So,
Well, there you have
we're
it.
ready to serve.
Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Bye. I just realized that in the package, it's 3 in a row.
3 times 8 equals 24.
What?
3 times 8 equals 24.
Yeah.
Well, 3 times 6 and 3 times 6 equals 24. But